This video will show you how to add pages to your portfolio and edit the content on those pages. After creating your portfolio site, you will start off with a single page titled Home. This is the first page that will be visible to anyone who visits your site. There are two buttons located in the upper right-hand corner of the page. The first button allows you to edit the current page you are viewing, and the second button allows you to add an additional page to your portfolio. For example, let's say that you want the first page of your portfolio to be your writer's statement instead of your home page. The first thing to do is to click on the Edit Page button. Then you will see the text editor toolbar appear at the top of the page. This is very similar to the toolbar that appears at the top of a Word document or when you're composing an email. This toolbar allows you to adjust things like typefaces, font sizes, bold, italics, and underline, text color, and more. In order to change the title on this page, the first thing you need to do is to click on the text box that reads Home. You can now delete this title and change it to Writer's Statement. In the text box below, you can begin to fill in the text that will appear in the body of your page. You can also copy and paste in text if you already have composed it in a separate document. After you have finished editing your page, you must click the Save button in the upper corner in order to save and view the changes you have made. Okay, so now let's say you want to create a new page for your portfolio. To do this, you can click the New Page button in the upper right-hand corner. The first thing you need to do is to name your new page. For our purposes, we will call this Project 1. Notice that as you title your page, a URL will automatically be generated for it, much like when you first created your site. Now, you can select the template you'd like to use for your new page. For our purposes, we will choose the Web Page template. For more information about announcements, file cabinets, and lists, check out the Google Sites help page. Finally, you need to select the location or level for your new page. This will determine where the page appears in your navigation. For now, we will make this a top-level page. Once you have selected the settings for your new page, click the red Create button. This will automatically take you to the new page you've just created, and you will be viewing it in edit mode. From here, you can edit the contents of the page in any way you'd like. But remember, you must click the Save button when you are finished in order to save and publish your new page. You can also make changes to your page settings by clicking the More drop-down button in the top right corner of the page. You can make a lot of changes using this More menu, but for this tutorial, we will just focus on editing and moving your pages. First, click on Page Settings. Here, you can allow comments and attachments on the page, automatically show links to subpages, and specify if you would like your page to show up in your navigation. Keep in mind that your page may not automatically show up in your navigation, so always make sure this box is checked if you want the page to appear in your navigation. You can also move your page within your portfolio. For example, you can move your page underneath another page that you have already published. This will create a hierarchy of pages in your portfolio. If we select Move Page, a box will appear that lists all the other pages you've created. If you select one of those pages, such as the Writer's Statement page, and click Save, your Project 1 page will move down in the navigation under your Writer's Statement. Now, your Project 1 page is listed as a sub-page of your top-level Writer's Statement page. In order to move the page back to a top-level page, you can select Move Page again and click on the name of your portfolio site, in this case, John's Writing Portfolio. Now, your Project 1 page is back to its original location in the navigation and is listed as a top-level page. The More menu also allows you to perform actions like printing your page or deleting your page if you decide you don't need it anymore. By familiarizing yourself with some of the basic functions of creating and editing pages, you can now begin to build the content of your portfolio. But of course, nothing can substitute for a little bit of playtime. So start messing around, creating, and editing new pages so that you can practice working with the various tools and settings available to you. You can always delete them later. Good luck and have fun building the pages of your portfolio.